Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you 5 habits that will be helpful in improving English. So let's get started. So the first habit is learn 5 to 10 new words on a daily basis. Okay, so you should learn 5 to 10 new words on a daily basis and you need to memorize it. You need to understand it. आपको रटना नहीं है ये वर्ड्स, आपको समझकर पढ़ना है। इसके साथ ही साथ जिन भी वर्ड्स को आप सीखेंगे उसका आपको हिंदी मीनिंग भी सीखना होगा। उन वर्ड्स को कब और कहाँ यूज करना है ये भी सीखना होगा। सो यू शुड नो दैट वेयर एंड व्हेन यू कैन यूज दोज वर्ड्स। आपको सिर्फ वर्ड्स को लर्न ही नहीं करना है बल्कि उन वर्ड्स को सेंटेंस में भी यूज करना है। तो इस तरीके से जो भी आप वर्ड्स सीखेंगे उन्हें आप सेंटेंस में यूज करने की भी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और इससे क्या होगा ना, इससे आपकी इंग्लिश काफ़ी इम्प्रूव हो जाएगी। सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट हैबिट दैट यू कैन फॉलो। आप डेली 5 to 10 न्यू इंग्लिश वर्ड्स सीखें एंड उनके हिंदी मीनिंग के साथ सीखें, उन्हें सेंटेंस में यूज़ कीजिए एंड इस तरीके से आप अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सकेंगे। सो द नेक्स्ट हैबिट इज रीड समथिंग इन इंग्लिश एवरी डे। सो यू शुड स्टार्ट रीडिंग समथिंग इन इंग्लिश एवरी डे at least for 10 minutes. If you read anything in English daily, it will really help you a lot. You should start reading out loud. It will help with your pronunciation and it will improve your fluency. Also, start underlining new words and learn their Hindi meaning. Also, start using those words. So, this was habit number 2 for improving English. So friends, इस तरीके से अगर आप डेली 10 मिनट्स इंग्लिश रीडिंग करेंगे तो आपकी इंग्लिश काफ़ी बेटर हो सकेगी। सो द थर्ड हैबिट इज स्टार्ट लिसनिंग टू इंग्लिश at least for 10 minutes daily. Okay, so listening to English will be really helpful in improving English. Or you can listen to any web series or any podcast, interviews, shows in English. Okay? Also, you can keep listening to the same thing in English. And I'm not saying that listen to new things. You can keep listening to the same thing as long as you don't understand it properly. So, start listening to English daily at least for 10 minutes. And it can be anything like English news, podcasts, songs, interviews, audios, etc. And you can learn new words from all these things. Okay? So friends, this was habit number 3. So you should listen to English at least for 10 minutes daily. So the fourth habit is always keep a journal with you. So friends, always keep a diary with you and whatever you learn, you need to write it down in a diary. So you can write down all the words that you learn daily. You can also write down phrases, idioms, etc. in it. Also, you can write down confusing words, vocabulary, verbs, etc. in it. And also you can write your progress journey. आपने इंग्लिश में क्या क्या सीख लिया है और क्या क्या सीखना बाकी है, इस तरह से आप डायरी में नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ गुड हैबिट to always keep a notebook with yourself. So friends, this was habit number 4. So you should always keep a diary or notebook with yourself so that you can note down whatever you learn in English. And the fifth habit is talk to yourself. So friends, I have already told you about this habit in my previous videos that you can practice English with yourself. You don't need anybody. You can do English practice practice with yourself. So, when I used to do English practice, there was nobody to whom I can talk to in English. So, you can do English practice alone with yourself. And I used to practice through imaginary conversations. I used to ask questions to myself, then I used to give answers by myself. So, you can practice English through conversations like conversation between teacher and student, or between doctor and patient, or between shopkeeper and customer. So you can speak both of the dialogues, like you can ask questions to yourself like a teacher, and then you can give answer to yourself like a student. So this is how you can practice English alone. So friends, this was habit number 5. आपके पास अगर इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए कोई पार्टनर नहीं है तो भी आप अपने साथ इंग्लिश में कॉन्वर्जेशन करके इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस वीडियो वी हैव लर्नड 5 most important habits that you can follow which will be helpful in improving your English. So I hope all these habits and tips would be really helpful in improving English. So friends, if you all found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.